Hi, today we are making naan. If you do not know what naan is, it's a very soft lemon flatbread, often flavored with garlic, coriander, or simply brushed in butter. It's usually required ultra hot tandoor, and as always, I don't have any of these because I'm broke, so we are making it in the pan. Starting with 500 grams APF aka all-purpose flour, 10 grams of instant dry yeast, 10 grams of sugar and 8 grams of salt. Mix the dry ingredient. To hydrate the flour, add 3/4 cup warm milk of a very clever cow, 3/4 cup holy water, and combine the all ingredients. Knead it for like 3 to 5 minutes. Now add 3 tablespoons olive oil or just cooking oil and massage the dough until the oil seeps in. It's gonna take about 5 more minutes for a smooth dough to form. Once it looks soft, bouncy, cover it with plastic wrap and leave for 2 hours in the Area 51 for some grooming. After 2 hours, dough has risen double in size. Take it out and land it on a dusty top. Divide it into 8 to 6 unequal sections and roll each of them with palm of your hand to make a beautiful round bald head. Flatten it out with a rolling pin, pipe or bottle, whatever you have at home, for about 6 inches in round and 5 mm in thickness. Heat the pan on medium flame for 3 minutes. Check the heat by spraying some water. If droplets start dancing, pan is ready to cook. Pop in the naan bread and let it sit for about 1 minute undisturbed. When the air bubbles forms, flip the naan and turn the heat from medium to medium-low. Cook the bottom side until it has a beautiful golden edges with crispy brown big spots in it. Take a peek, and when it starts picking up a little bit of color on the edges and have some brown spots in it, then flip it over. When it's blow up like a balloon and cook all the way through and pick up some nice browning along the way. Check it out. Paint the flatbread with some garlic infused butter or oil and sprinkle some parsley or cilantro, any herb you are allergic to. And there you have it, some easy homemade buttery herb with crispy soft carbohydrate bombs. Okay, the interior is soft, moist and buttery, and the exterior has some crunch in a very pleasant way. You can use them as pockets filled with meat, veggies, fries, sauces, medics, makeup. I mean, these are fluffy big pockets. You can fit in so much stuff in it. I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10. So easy to make and so fluffy to taste. So thank you. Bye.